I made this video about 1 year ago on how this particular website, investing.com, has made me millions in Forex trading.
The good news is you're about to make a lot of money.
And since most of the things on the websites have been updated, I said, okay, let me go through step by step again to be able to show you the updates and how you can be able to make money in Forex trading using this particular website. Because this website has made me a fortune. And if you can follow this video from the start to the end, if you can watch the video to the end, you'll be able to see that this website has a lot of tools, or has all the tools you'll be able to need in your Forex trading journey. Okay, good. So which website are we going to be talking about again? Before we get into the video, the only thing I want you guys to do is to smash the like button on the video. Let's get the video to at least 5,000 likes. And if you like this content and you've been watching my content and you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that red subscribe button below to subscribe to the channel. That is going to mean a lot if you subscribe to the channel. Perfect. Now, so which website are we going to be talking about today? We're going to be talking about investing.com. So what is investing.com? So just from the name investing.com, this is a global financial website where you can read news, you can read data, you can practice strategies, you can follow other top traders, you can check other trade analysis tool, indicators, a lot of things. You can do a lot. This is an all-in-one website, all right? So I'm just going to take a couple of aspects that are particular or that are peculiar to us, or particular aspects that we're going to be using on a daily basis as traders, and I'm going to be explaining to you guys on this particular video. So make sure you stay to the end of the video. Perfect. So the first option I'm going to be explaining is about fundamental trading. Investing.com is the number one website when it comes to trading the news. It's the number one website when it comes to trading the fundamentals. Investing.com. There are other ones like FS Trade. I think there is Forex Factory, but investing.com is number one. No matter what whosoever is saying, I've used all the other websites, but investing.com is number one. Now let's set up investing.com. So when you come to investing.com, the first thing you have to do is to sign in an account, because there are some of the tools here that they need to be able to use your IP address and your time zone to give you accurate results. All right, you need to be able to sign in so that they can use your IP address and your time zone to give you accurate data that is peculiar to your time zone or peculiar to your zone. Because somebody like me that I stay in South Africa, my time zone might be different from you who lives in the United States. So make sure you sign in with your email address so that your IP address and your time zone can be used to give you accurate data when it comes to Forex trading. Good. So when you come here, the first thing you have to do is to create an account. Obviously, there will be a section that asks you to sign up. It's for free, all right? So you just create a free account with your email address, with your name. Make sure you have an account. When you have an account, the first thing you need to set up is your economic calendar. All right, your economic calendar is where you need to be reading. You'll be reading all your news. It's where you'll be seeing the upcoming news events. It's where you'll be seeing major data that is going to be released. Even if the president of the United States is going to, that's where you see it on investing.com. If the Bank of England is going to release some data, you will see it on investing.com. If there's even a natural occurrence that is going to be coming, you will see it on investing.com. So to be able to set up your economic calendar, you come on where it says news. You come down, you just click on news, you come down to where it says economic calendar. I'm doing this on my computer because it's easy. I can easily see everything. But on your phone, you just follow the same steps on your phone and you'll be able to do the same thing, all right? So on economic calendar, you just click on economic calendar and this page is going to open. You can see this is my economic calendar. But even on this particular page, you're going to be able to see, you will see all sorts of things. Let me just put it the way you normally see. You see all sorts of things here. Let me not reset my page, but you see a lot of useless news events here that we don't want to see. So you need to be able to set your filters. That is the most important thing. The difference between amateur traders and pro traders that are making money in Forex trading is how they are able to set their filters and news events they are able to select. All right. So once you already come here, you come to where it says filters. You click on filters, you come down, and the first thing you need to do is to select your currency, to select your currencies. So you can just pause the video and just select all the currencies which I have selected on this screen. The first currency you have here is you select Germany, you select the New Zealand, you select the Australian dollar, Canada, Eurozone, France, Hong Kong, Italy, Japan. You come down to Singapore, Switzerland, the United States, and the United Kingdom. So these are the top countries you select. Beside that, don't select any other country because all these other countries are useless. We don't need their currencies. We don't trade their currencies because those are what we call exotic currencies. The currencies that I've selected are major currencies, and those are the ones we're going to be trading. Perfect. Since you've done that, you come down here on time. You choose on display time remaining until announcement. So you click this so that they can be able to show you the time, the time as it is winding down. So you click on this so that they can show you the time as it is winding down. Then under category, just tick all of this because we want employment data, credit balance, employment activity, central banks, bond inflation, and confidence index. So we want all of this. So just click on that. This section here is very, very important. Under importance, this boost here represents the degree of impact of that particular news on any currency pair. All right, the degree of impact, and we only want to be trading the high impact news events. That's why when you come here, you click on the 3 boosts. You just click here on where you see 3 stars. Those are the news events we're going to be trading. Beside that, we're not going to be trading in other news event. Then you just click on apply. Voila. When you click on apply, you can see you're going to be able to see news events like this. And on these particular news events, to be able to read your data, you can see here we have the time, we have the currency pair that news events is going to be affecting, we have the importance, we have the events, the actual value, the forecast value, the previous value. So if you want to be able to know how you can use this data to be able to trade the news, then click the link above to be able to watch a new strategy that will be able to help you to use this particular data to trade the news. I've used this particular data to make millions in Forex trading. There are more than 20 videos on this particular channel that have been able to trade live videos using all of these data which I've just shown you now. So click the link above or check the link on the video description to be able to watch a news trading strategy using all of this particular data. So that is that, guys. Under your economic calendar, you can always come here. Yesterday, you'll be able to see the news events which were yesterday, today, tomorrow. You can even see the news events coming up tomorrow. This week, you can see this entire week. You can see all the news events coming out this week. Next week, you can even see, even if you are backtesting and you want to see a particular historical data that happens in the past, you can just come here and you click on this small calendar icon and you just select any date, and they will show you the news events that occur on that particular date. So that is the first thing you do on how to set your calendar. This is the most important thing. I would have shown you guys other things, but setting your calendar on investing.com is the most important thing because any other thing is going to be around setting up your calendar. Good. Let's go to other tools. Another tool I want us to talk about is this particular tool called, you just go under technicals. You go under technicals, and under technicals, you come down to more in technicals. You see where it says Fibonacci calculator. You just click on that. I'm going to do a separate video, or you can just click the link above. I'll still leave the link of that particular video above. So click the link above to be able to watch how you can use this particular data to place your trade. Everything has already been calculated for you. The only thing you just need is just to go on your chart. You just read the high of the market. You come here and you put the value. You just go on your chart again. You read the low of the market. You come here, you put your data. You click on calculate. This particular tool is going to show you where to buy. This particular tool is going to show you where to sell. And remember, I'm not too fond of indicators, right? But one tool which is very effective, which I've spoken about on my channel many times, is the Fibonacci tool. Because even in real life circumstances, the Fibonacci tool applies in real life circumstances. That is why even this tool, if you watch a separate video, which I just left the link, you'll be able to understand how powerful this tool is. You don't need any beginner, even if you just heard about Forex trading yesterday, you can use this tool to be able to make this money. You can use this tool to be able to make this money from the internet, to be able to make this money from Forex trading. So watch that video and you'll be able to understand more. So I just wanted to show you guys another major feature of investing.com. Another future which I still want us to talk about is this future where you actually see the market overview. Under market overview, this is where you can, if you are somebody who you want to stay updated, right? You want to stay on the edge. Under market overview, you can always come here to see opinion of other traders, to see the reaction in the market, not only about forex trading, about indices, about stocks, about commodity, about precious metals, golds. So under overview, this is what, when I want to just have my mind, I want to just stay informed, because in forex trading, if you are not informed, you'll be deformed. So sometimes when I want to just stay informed, the only place I come just to read news events, know what is going on different currency pairs and stuff like that, is just my market overview. All right. Then another thing you also have to check is, if you want to be able to, if you don't have a broker, or if you don't know how to use TradingView, or if you just want to use investing.com to see your live chart, you can also come here. You have live chart, forex chart, future chart, everything. You still be able to see it here. Another tool we'll also talk about, which investing.com has made it very, very simple, is this other tool which I'm going to show you. If you come under technicals again and you go under technical summary, just go under technical summary. This is where I'm going to show you guys how you can use this data to place your trade. I remember about 7 years ago, we used to use this particular data to trade binary options. If you used to trade maybe around 2014, 2015, then you understand what I'm talking about. But in our case, we are more concerned about forex trading, right? So let me show you this. So if I go here, remember we are under technical, and then under technical, we are under technical summary. You come here and you click under forex. Under forex, guys, you can make millions. Just this thing you are seeing here, it looks a little bit intimidating, but this data is very, very important. Investing.com has made it very, very simple for you to use this particular data here to place your trade. Let me explain. Good. So let's just take a particular currency pair, and I'll show you guys how you can use this data you are seeing here to place your trade. Because remember, I'm more like a trend trader. I want to trade with the trend. If the trend is going down, I want to only be selling. If the trend is going up, I want to only be buying. You understand? And this tool is one of the perfect trend trading tools you ever think about. Good. And how do you do it? If I come here, you can see this tool has the different time frames. You have the daily time frame, the 5 hours time frame, the hour time frame, and the 15-minute time frame. So I can even customize this. Let's customize this and have the daily time frame, the 5-hour time frame, and then we have the hour time frame and the 15-minute time frame. Yes, I already customized it, so we're just going to use that same one. Then we click on apply. So these are the key time frames. You can have either the 4-hour time frame or the 5-hour time frame. Is the same thing. So we have our key time frame. Please pay attention. This tool is very, very important. This tool is very, very important. You have your first time frame, which is the daily time frame. Your second time frame here is the 5-hour time frame, or you can put the 4-hour time frame. You have your hour time frame, and we're going to be taking our trade on the lower time frame. So you can take your trade on the 1-hour time frame if you want your trade to stay for a little bit longer, and if you have bigger target, or you can place your trade on the 5-minute time frame if you want to start going into scalping. But in this case, I want to work with the 5. I like using this for this particular tool. I like trading with the 5-minute time frame. So how do you use this particular tool? What you have to do is you need to start on the higher time frame, doing what we call top-down analysis. And you don't need to be going on MT5, and you're looking on your chart to say, okay, this one is bouncing here. I can see on the daily time frame that the market is going down. On the 4-hour time frame, no, you don't need to worry. Everything, I'm going to show you guys an example. Everything is on your screen here, and I will show you guys how to read this data. All right, good. So the only section here you can see we have moving averages, indicators, and summary. The only column you have to pay attention is the summary column. That is the only column you pay attention. And when you come here, to be able to know if you can trade that particular currency pair, you either look for a currency pair that has everything on strong sell, or a currency pair that has everything on strong buy. All right, so let me just add a couple of other currency pairs, and I will show you guys an example, because you can see this is actually about midnight my time, and the volatility is very low, and I can't see a currency pair that the summary is all on strong sell or all on strong buy. So let me just add a couple of other currencies and we'll be able to see. Let's just add a couple of other currencies. Okay, so I've been able to add a couple of currency pairs on our list, because here you can see we have all the currency pairs here. They even show the current market price, right? So we have all our currency pairs here. So how do you use this particular chart or this particular data to place your trade? What I want you guys to do is, before you choose if you want to trade a particular currency pair, you need to be able to have all strong. If you want to be able to sell, if you want to choose to sell a particular currency pair, then everything here from the daily time frame to the 5-minute time frame has to be on strong sell. All right, has to be on strong sell. And if you want to make a decision to buy that particular currency pair, then everything from the daily time frame, remember here on the you'll be able to see the time frame here. So if you want to choose to buy for that particular day, everything from the daily time frame to the 5-minute time frame must be on strong buy. So unfortunately, this is the Asian session, because you can see my time. This is actually about 30 minutes to 12 midnight, which is the Asian session. The Asian session is normally very slow. I normally don't trade during the Asian session. That's why I'm using this time to shoot these videos. So normally during the London session or the New York session, you come here and you see a lot of currency pairs starting from the 5-minute time frame to the daily time frame, or you either pick maybe Euro USD and you see on the summary, you see strong buy, strong buy, strong buy, strong buy. That tells you that that currency pair is in a bullish trend, right from a daily perspective, 4-hour perspective, hourly perspective, 5-minute perspective. That currency pair is in a strong bullish trend, and you should always be looking for buy signals. So you now move to your MT5, you wait for the market to pull back into your market structure, then you take your trade. You always keep taking buy trade. You take a buy trade, it goes hit your take profit, you wait for the market to pull back to your structure, you take. So that's just how you do it. That's how you use this particular tool. So you use this particular tool as a tool of confluence, all right? As a tool of confluence in conjunction with your technical analysis and your market structure. So you just, anytime you come here and you see strong buy, strong buy, strong buy, strong buy, if you go back on your MT5, you're going to see the market, that particular currency pair is going to be in an uptrend. Well, how do they come up with this data? They have moving averages. Moving averages are very effective, all right? You can even calculate the moving average yourself. Moving averages are very effective. Then there's still some effective indicators that you can actually use on your chart that will tell you the market trend. And some indicators, before I approve an indicator, if an indicator is telling me to buy, I should be able to confirm that technically. If an indicator is telling me the market is in an uptrend, I should be able to confirm that technically on my chart. And everything here is very perfect. If you come here and you see strong buy, strong buy, strong buy, strong buy, you go on your chart, the market is going to be, that particular chart is going to be in an uptrend. So let's just take for an example, something. Okay, let's take USD CHF, right? You can see we have, I'm looking for the one that has strong buy, or strong sell. Good. Let's see. Okay. Let's just take something like Euro USD. You can see on the 5-minute time frame, this is a strong buy on the 5-minute time frame. If you go on a 5-minute on Euro USD, let me show you guys. This is when you know what you are doing. Let's just take Euro USD. We already confirmed on investing.com that Euro USD is in a downtrend on the 5-minute time frame. So let's open Euro USD and hit on the 5-minute time frame, right? So on the 5-minute time frame, guys, this is the 5-minute time frame. Can you see this? On investing.com, let's start with investing.com. This is Euro USD. On the 5-minute time frame, what are we seeing? Strong buy. We don't even need to go anywhere to confirm. We already see strong buy. Let's just go back now to the 5-minute time frame. Can you see this? The market is in a very strong uptrend. The market is in an uptrend. The market is bouncing on higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher high. That is a clear uptrend. If during the day, I'll just wait. During the day, if I want to take the trade, I'll just wait for the hourly time frame to also be in a strong buy. The 4-hour time frame should also be in a strong buy, and the daily time frame must also be in a strong buy. I want everything to be in a strong buy to give me confirmation that the bullish trend is very powerful, that the degree of my impulse is going to be very powerful. Let's also check the 1-hour time frame. to see if this tool is very effective. On the 1 hour time frame, you can see it is also on a strong buy, right? So let's quickly go on the 1 hour time frame. Let's delete this. Go on the 1 hour time frame. Boom. Can you see this? Can you see on the 1 hour time frame, the structure was broken somewhere here, and from here going on, you can see this other structure too was broken. So this market has moved from a downtrend to an uptrend. Can you see this? This is a clear uptrend, and it is confirming what? It is confirming the same thing we just see on investing.com that says the chart was in a strong buy. Let's check the other one. Let's go now to the 4 hour time frame, which is neutral. Okay, that means on the 4 hour time frame we should be seeing something like a consolidation. So let's quickly go on the 4 hour time frame. Let's delete this and hit here on the 4 hour time frame. Can you see we are having more like a consolidation, because till the market comes back and tests this particular area before we'll be able to confirm if the market is still in an uptrend. Then on the daily time frame, even before going to investing.com to confirm the direction, you can see, can you see this? The market is in a strong sell. It's in a strong sell on the daily time frame. So if you come here on investing.com, you see strong sell. Can you see this? The tool is very, very effective. Strong sell on investing.com, and even before doing that, I can already see. You can see from here the market on a daily time frame is bouncing on lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. That is a clear downtrend. So what can we do for me to be able to trade this particular currency pair? I can already see very well that there's a channel. There's more like a channel here. That is a probability this market might be coming up here, to hit this particular channel, then bounce back in our original trend, which is the original strong sell direction. So as soon as I confirm on my chart or on my MT5 that the market has already gotten to that level, that is a high probability the market is going to bounce back, or the market is going to take the normal downtrend direction, I'll just come here and wait for the 4 hour or the 5 hour time frame to confirm with me that it is also on the strong sell. And I see the 4 hour time frame or the 5 hour time frame also on strong sell. I'll just wait for the hourly time frame. If I want to be able to sell on the hourly time frame, then I can start taking my trade immediately on the hourly time frame. But if I want to use the 5-minute time frame, then I'll wait until the hourly time frame also brings strong sell. Then I'll start selling on the 5-minute time frame. I'll start looking for sell opportunities on the 5-minute time frame. Only when the daily time frame, the 5 hour or the 4 hour time frame and the hourly time frame are all on strong sell. And if the same thing will go, if I want to be able to buy, I'll wait for that currency pair to give me everything on strong buy before I can buy on the lower time frame. That is how effective this website is. And if you want to be able to see a dedicated video or a separate video which I've been able to make on this particular strategy alone, how you can be able to use this particular summary tool to trade in Forex trading, then check the link above. So that is how you are able to customize your investing.com to be able to have all the appropriate tools that will enable you to make the same money I'm making in Forex trading. When it comes to Forex trading, sometimes it doesn't matter the level of expertise you have, your tools also will determine if you will be an amateur or if you will remain an amateur trader or if you will be a pro trader like us. So make sure you are using the right tools, and talking about the right tools, make sure you are using the right tools the right way, because some of you guys might know of investing.com, but you wouldn't know how to set it up, you wouldn't know the particular tools you have to use, and you wouldn't even know the particular news events you need to watch out or the particular news events you need to trade. If you've gotten some value from this video, the only thing I want you to do, make sure you smash the thumb up on the video. Let's get the video to at least 5,000 likes. And if you are watching and you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button below to subscribe to the channel. Talking about this awesome website, if you want to be able to learn strategies that you're going to be using this particular website to trade, then check out this particular video to be able to learn this particular strategy. Also click here to watch this other strategy. Click here to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on these other videos. Peace.